again, our whole marriage was on the show. And it's not easy to live that life when, you know, every time I go out, if I'm with any staff member, it's on the block somewhere saying I'm doing this and I'm doing that. So, you know, she can't deal with the ridicule of that. I don't think she was built for that, you know.
So then why didn't you just get off reality TV in an effort to save your marriage?
Well, that was, you know, like, again, they don't pay me to be on reality TV. They pay her.
But now they're going to pay you. They're paying you this season, right?
Well, you know, they're going to have to work it out, right?
Yeah. All right, so here's what I think.
6 years.
Here's what I think. You know what I think? Just as a woman, seeing that it's pretty callous when you announce your divorce through E, as opposed to making a joint statement together. This is how this man had to find out he's still a human being. What I think is whatever you've done to her has made her so pissed that she might feel, Peter, that maybe you don't deserve the respect of a joint statement or a phone call from me. You know, sometimes they're like, were you cheating wildly?
Never. I have never.
Did you embezzle money from her?
Never. You see that? All of those stories always belittle me, right? Because and I don't have a voice to talk about it. The thing is, Cynthia and I got together. I don't take any money from Cynthia. I mean, it came out that when we got together, we did a restaurant, and we lost during the recession. And she probably never recovered from that, but this is what I've been doing all my life. Before I met her, I had 7 restaurants and nightclubs on South Beach over a 20-year period.
Yeah.
People on the show think that I just got into that game, but I was actually doing it for 20 years before that. And, you know, like, you know, a lot of shows and blogs don't help. You know, they go, oh, he's using her for her money. Cynthia and I don't even have a joint bank account. Okay, so therefore, I don't have no access to anything she do.
Well, you know what about the video that leaked, and we played it here on the show? You were in a nightclub, and it looked like this mystery woman.
Yeah.
That's a little too much. I mean, you're touching her, the way you're touching